party's dead, bro. Where'd everyone go?
They're probably hooking up in the bedrooms.
Checks out.
Right?
Alright.
Ooh, not good.
Wait, hold on. Chill. Alright. This one's for Capple Pie. You ready?
Yep.
Go.
Choke.
Oh, what's that coming from?
Oh, it's someone's phone.
Oh, who's calling?
Birth control.
Birth control? That's a weird name.
No, bro.
Oh.
Birth control, it's an alarm.
Oh, you know what? They probably set their alarm because they want to know when to take their birth control.
Oh! Bro! That means they're having sex right now.
Okay.
And that means they need to take the birth control right now. Fuck! Bro, that means if they're having sex right now without taking their birth control, they're definitely gonna get pregnant.
Oh, shit, yeah. Oh, God. Checks out.
We have to warn them!
Oh, shit.
But how?
Hold the phone up. You hold the phone up so that everyone can hear you.
Oh God, it's on snooze. It's already been a minute.
Oh, come on, dude. Dude, that's plenty of time for the eggs to go through the uterus tubes.
Yeah, it's that fast?
Oh, yeah, dude, that's how fast sperm go.
Oh, man. I'm so happy you know that. Yeah. I only got here because of my football scholarship.
Hey, me too, dude.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You're on my team. Bro!
Whoa.
What if whose phone this is also got here because of their football scholarship?
Holy shit, dude. They could get kicked off the team.
Bro, they could lose their scholarship.
And then, we lose a big game on Saturday.
Oh. We have to warn them!
Okay,
Whose phone is this?
Okay, yeah. Whose phone is it?
It's an iPhone 8!
You need to take your birth control.
Yeah, and you also, need to update your phone.
Seriously. Oh, shit. Okay.
We gotta put this party on lockdown, bro.
Dude, let's do it.
Yeah.
All right, everyone. We gotta put this party on lockdown.
Mm-hmm.
Sex, lockdown.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
It's alright, bro. Hey! Chadster, rub it up before you tap it, bro!
Hey, cap the Over's blue Brad balls.
For Boo the Loo, fucking doodle!
Undrizzle the jizzle, my nizzle.
Alright. Stop screaming the semen, D-dog!
Yo, unrooter the clown shooter, D-cat.
Whoa, stop tossing the fucking, oh my god, stop tossing, the sauce daddy, turd burger.
Unsplatter the baby bladder. Butthole Frank.
Ejaculator, oh.
Get away from her, dude!
Yeah, bro, don't even touch her, dude!
Don't even look at her, bro.
Yeah. Yo.
What the fuck?
Hey, is this your phone?
No, this is my phone.
Oh, Android, blah.
Is that your phone?
No, I also have an Android. They have a superior operating system compared to the iPhone.
Okay, yeah, we get it. Go have some green bubble sex, you freaks.
All right.
Bye.
Look, everyone else.
Yeah.
Until we get this party under control and find out whose phone this is, no touching, no penetration,
No.
and God damn it, I swear to God, no fucking coming.
Yeah. Abstinence for the win.
That's right.
That is not how it works.
It's not?
No, we set the alarm to remind us to take it every day, but it doesn't have to be the exact minute.
Checks out, yeah.